Hi friends, and welcome to day 4 of Mama Elephant's June 2024 release. Today we are introducing Write With Me. This is a set that comes with 5 adorable critters, a rainbow, and lots of images to build your scene. Plus, I think they can be used in all kinds of different types of cards. Of course, the set comes with coordinating creative cuts. Today, we are also introducing the Hip to be Square creative cuts. Now let's get to the coloring first. This is what the images look like when all stamped out. This set is so adorable. It can be used for thank you teacher cards, but it would also make a very cute hello or a happy birthday card. I am showing you how to color the bunny image holding the crayon. And for bunnies, I always like to use the warm gray series of Copic markers. I will usually start with the W5 marker and color downwards all the way to W00. To determine where to use my darkest marker, I always try to imagine from which side the light is coming. I usually imagine my images to have a light coming from the upper right side. Therefore, you will see that the bottom left pieces of my images are usually the darkest. For the bow, I am using a combination of RV and R markers to match the Mama Elephant Lollipop ink I will be using on the sentiment. I'm coloring the crayon in purples and I am starting out with the V17. I will list my other markers I use for this crayon in the description below. For the glosses on the critters, I always like to use a very light BG or B color. In this case, I'm using BG000. And of course, I'm using my Jelly Roll pen to add some highlights. Now let's take a look at the Hip to be Square creative cuts. There are 2 dies in the set, which both create a frame. You can use them together or you can use them separately. For my card today, I started with a 5" by 5" card base. And over top, I'm adhering a piece of pattern paper. Now it's time to add the frame. I'm popping this up with some foam tape. What I love about the 4-square window is that it basically creates your card for you. Just fill the windows with a cute scene or an image and you're done with your card. I stamped my sentiment on the new note page creative cuts and cut that down to fit my frame. Now it's time to add my cute critters. And I'm finishing my scene with some of the images included in the set. We have a little heart, a star, and we have a little swirl. As a finishing touch, I'm adding the second frame all around my 4-square window. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release will be available from June 15th and I will see you tomorrow for the last day of introductions. Bye!